John here with the Hummer. Going to go around and do a little bit of trim work. You can see the fading here on the A-pillar. Also, you see it here. It's on the hood as well, on the panel. Front bumper doesn't look bad. Mirrors, they didn't look too bad till I washed it. And door handles, back bumper, rocker trim. Back bumper is probably the worst. It's actually very, very gray. But I'm going to use the Cerakote product, their trim coat restoration kit. Just several packs, and it's got their product in it. Works really well. You wipe it on, leave it on for a few minutes, then wipe it back off. And first step, wipe everything down really well with alcohol. So we will get started on it. To start with, I found the best way, just like painting, go around and do the trim. You go back in and finish up by following the edge that you cut in. Doing this, go over everything once. And just like painting, try not to overlap once it's applied. Okay, the full application also includes wiping off. I hadn't mentioned that with the first part. You apply it and you wipe it off. And does two things. Helps to level it out. Also keeps it from being sticky and gummy. Just really quick. Let's do this section. Then I'll get to the rest of it. You wipe it on. Go around again, trace out the edge. It's like you're edging when painting. Just do it with the pressure of my finger. Just follow the bottom edge. Do the same as I go around this side. You can't see it over here, but still doing it. And then allow you to come back in with the wide swipes just to get full coverage. So the grooves, I do like to go over those first, flat surfaces. That way I can see the edges and what's missed. The cloth, wipe over it flat, not too worried about getting every bit of it down in the grooves. And that's the finished product.